ole chibai vek ole voin nia hai flow sports life badminton academy gurgaon na ka oma jingdar ko ka chuak khada so pa khada ka thleng thei chi a da ka ni kal vel ania update seminar kan zowa IG lama active lawa ka in install sia tur han exam kan la ne ka ni mu vela voin ni kron tilang ve du sim sim ma chan chu hei NSCA noya CSCS certified strength and conditioning specialist course practical class kala do na voina hian exam tur ho Olympic lifts ho ka pedona chuti a chuan chuti chumi ba ka chuan hei vertex te an ne ka vertical te ka test anga ma se ke hi ka in thiam le de ura awangin ka chol de char chara ni zan po ka mu tha thei lawa ti te ang ka mu che bo ka voini ka zuang thei em chu ka shelawa video ti lan theng ang ka ron ti langa chon zanina hianin practice te kan ne ya basketball chung teng chu ron ti lan thei chu ron ti lang do ne ole tuna hianin badminton academy chunga ko ama badminton court hi paliang om ta achak tila hen vertex oma ta san nakina ka man vertical jump te ka test anga wall mount ang tizo khan nei hini ta chuanin he tilama hianin weight room section om ta ta hian class kala ka tur ne tur hen ka thiam pai ta salam ne ka ni hi kan college chuak to ne masters po kan ti duna Germany further studies abeya ani chuanin Germany lama foreign lama mo chuanin ani hianin class masa la second class ke man kala don ta tuna hian ke hi ka warm up anga sei to khan aro na thleng kim lo de la ke mat last week tu certified strength and conditioning specialist atana ai exam board sai nanin practical class kala do ani tuna hian so what comes first hang clean now hang clean. Think about the word. What comes first? It's going to start with hand, right? And the next word is so, and probably low on the floor. So, hang clean, right? This again depends on individual. People, some start here, some start mid thigh. Right? Now my wrist is coming. High or mid thigh? It probably uses mid more. In fact, it extension. That is a hang clean. Alright? That's good. Come on, next. Forget about it. Back, pull, head, थोड़ा सा ही position, hang, clean, and then the floor, and floor. Ready? That's the hard part. Clean, it says hang clean, and slow. Right? Sit down. Sometimes it says hang clean. So depending upon the words, you just have to go in the example. Better. One more. Now, now we are going to be adding this stuff. Alright? See, hip hinge, bend our tension, hip extension, right? And then all going to come at one place. Got it? Come on. Grip. Hinge. Hinge with the hips. The bar against the hips. Hinge back. And then learn that movement. Shoulder flexion, hip extension. Right? You need to be powerful. These are power movements. So you have to be powerful. You can't. Right? You're not learning the catch pace right now. And now hinge at the hips. Because I say hinging at the hips. So when you're pulling up, you hinge and then extend. Like I said, same as power clean. It's just the grip is wider, the stance is wider. Again. This way. Pull the bar up. Come on. Forward. Give it a go. There's probably going to be an information overload. Alright. Just like jumping. Let's go. From here we move on to the snatch phase. And then take it to the full movement. Okay? So, bar on the hips, bar on the hips. Hinge back. Move your butt back. Hip extension, plantar flexion. Again. Plantar extension, hip extension. Butt back. No. Butt back. Go, raise your hips. Back. Head. No step. Taking all this. Up. Break your knees more. Knees angle out a little bit up. Look forward. Pull. Nice, but slow. Better than before. Nice, but this transition should be fast. If this transition is slow. then we're defeating the purpose. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Up. Nice. But again, one more. Take your time, take your time. Rest, rest. Rest, 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 rest. Yes. Take it. The thing is, look forward, vertical chin, shoulders slightly forward, but down. 6.
Sir.
Good. One more. Don't be in a hurry. Good. Good. Bar was part of your if you are focusing on one thing specifically, something to go with. Something to go with. Bar goes to the shin, shoulders slightly forward, but down, head forward, look forward, look forward, look forward, not look down here, look forward. Come on, pull, then you're ready. What happened? Better, but you're rushing it. Rest, that's why I say rest, move away from the bar. Rest. Like I said, if you focus on too much giving, like I said, vertical shin, shoulder forward, and then you're making be calm, don't be a big. Step forward, on your own side, right? Come on. That's it. Go deeper. Go deeper. Come on. Okay, let's go. Press forward, press it. Shin. Bar goes to the shin. If it's too hard, the bar is going to move. That looks like more of a power move. Nice. Too much jumping. Depends on how strong you are. Snatch, right? It's not like you cannot say snatch power or something like that. The catch will not be totally dependent upon the weight and the person, right? Come on, let's take. Let's go. Okay. Let's take. Okay. Pull up, pull, and let me down to one. Last one. Quick move right. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Time also slow right now. Slow one. Come on, hit. That's it. You have to jump it for the power. That transfer is the hard part. That's why I think what the plus one more thing. It might be a little bit but when you're trying no, what happened? Where is the hip extension? Where is the hip extension? I told you, it's hard time one day. Where's the hip extension? Please regarding that, no problem. We start from knee height. Oh, that's fairly good. In terms of programming sake, why would I need practical sessions kan zawa tuna yan he kan en kole me kita hianin sled te po matent e weight room section ani ta so lai mi so vertec ani su kan try don ni na hen badminton no pang ho nang theng to a te ka thiam pa mu ji ta boka oh tuna yan he vertec banga om chi zo kan an ne ni mai kala zuang thei lu tum lo ma se e ka thian pa mu ji ta ni Germany of me ka ni ne masters kan ki hawa IGI ka college na por ta ni ko BSc te tia tuna hianin Germany ya your subject MSc sport and exercise science sport and exercise science ni ka tuna ro bola ni la kan ke zawa he tuna vertec ka ai ka ten sinona ka so what do we do? We measure first the standing height. So a lot of people cheat on this, right? Because they don't want to do a full reach. If they don't do a full reach, then they get a high vertical. But you have to do a full reach. My full reach is around 7.4, 7.5 with shoes. Yeah. So we will see. Let's say, okay, Ajit, ready? How much is this? I touch this one, this vertical jump. I can touch. This is my full reach. But if you pull it downwards, with shoes 7.7 reach. So I will try out for a standing one. I probably want to try it. Standing. Okay, I'm not in standing. So, you wanna go first or I'm going first? I think you can go first. Because if you're not able to reach, I think I'm able to reach. Okay, five up will. बता रहे हो मैं गाड़ी आ गई क्या? अच्छा. Okay, bye. Standing. If you see the video, first thing is his jumping movement is not natural. He's just trying to reach like this. And whenever we're doing a vertec test, you should not step or do this. You should just climb and reach. That's the thing. I don't know how many uses that. Probably between these.
So this is 9 feet or 114 inches, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In my best shape,
6.
I can touch 43 on standing.
9.6.
43 inches on standing. I don't know how much 9.6 would be.
114 inch.
See, the first mistake you were doing. But this, now I'll show.
Stay out of the green area. Green area is a door.
Actually, 9.6 was this study. 9.6 was this. So I'm going to grip my movement first. Just come down, up and like watch. I don't know how much was that, and what you can see. So I'll be going again. I think I can go higher. I'm a little bit disappointed. Plus, this. Okay, I don't know how much. That's probably higher than 10 feet now. Let's see. Hey, you go one more. I'll go one more. Pause. And do a run.
जिसका ट्रिपल एक्सटेंशन अच्छा है वो एक्सपोजिशन पे भी बेटर है।
जब जो जैसे वैभव का था, जब हम लोअर बॉडी प्लाई भी कर रहे थे,
Holding me back.
इसका काउंटर मूवमेंट बहुत खराब था वैभव का।
उनका तो बेस्ट है, तो दैट इज व्हाई उन्होंने इतना
And then. In a training kan nei na chu me building pakhat jok hen ta tuna building le lama ta ba hianin manager amani on ta hianin for flow sports cafe oma chunga hianin badminton oma gonna take me through. So what's all this?
Yeah, so it's a sports cafe. Specifically, the menu is designed for athletes. The prices are also reasonable.
Wow,
And
you get omelette for 50.
they also serve food for the athletes living in hostel.
Oh, nice.
And the chef is like knows how to make all the healthy meals.
Okay, so we also have physiotherapy and rehabilitation clinic, I guess.
So this is a watch area for the parents, the weight area, watch area. This is
And
just
this is
one of their office,
Okay.
but they have a bigger office there nearby. And
So here is the quick glance at the office. And
hello.
sports store, I guess. Right?
So the shop, all the repairing, buying you can do for all the badminton stuff.
And net something now, badminton.
Yeah, so repairing the
Repairing
net
the
and
nets,
everything. You can get it.
You can get quality shirts here as well.
Yes.
And these are the trophies. They have one, I guess.
Yeah. This is just the like display cabinet.
So what's up there? Okay. So right now Mudit is showing me around his background. You have to repeat that. So how many total courts are here?
So in this hall there are 6 courts.
Okay.
There's another hall beside this building which has 4 courts plus 1 gym area. And when all 6 are not in use, they
Okay.
pull this blue thing up,
Okay.
so you have a better view of all the 6 courts.
But now because it's in use.
Yes.
And
so to
for the
prevent
reflection.
of the light, they pull these down.
Okay. We're in a gallery right now. So how many athletes are here typically?
Typically, you can say around between the competitive ones.
And
The
coaching.
number, the floating number is 60 to 100, who are like playing competitively at
Yes.
different age groups and men women categories. Overall, around 250 athletes. You can the kids group. This is the physiotherapy room. So in the evening, the physiotherapist is there,
Okay.
and you can get your direct consultation from there.
Physiotherapy room is here. And this used to be the old gym. And now they are using it for a cool down or a quick warm up. You have your spin bikes here for any vertical pulling. You have Mudit's athlete here also. He kind of looked like Virat mostly, but I know it does this once, huh? And we have Saina Nehwal.
Yeah, you can say she is the Saina Nehwal.
Saina Nehwal.
She recently won under 19 and
Oh.
she's just around 15.
You're 15.
I'm 15.
You look 20. That's just dark humor, right?
He's also match.
Oh.
Kar le aram kar.
He looks gassed.